Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to make PIR. Now PIR stands for Purchase Info Record. Now why you have to make PIR? For example, you have to make a purchase order in SAP. You cannot manually enter price while making PO. You have to make a document that is called PIR. PIR is a combination of three things: vendor, material and price. For that, as you can see, this is the main screen of SAP. Now over here you will write the T code ME11. I repeat, ME11. After entering that T code, this screen will appear, and that's called create info record. Now what you have to do, you have to enter some information in it. Over here, vendor, your material, your purchase organization and your plant. After entering these four information, you will have to press enter. When you press enter, you will see that this error or message is appearing. It's called no QM info record exist. Now that means you have to get cleared the material and vendor code from your quality department or QC department of your company. You have to mail them the material code, the vendor code. When they approve it, so then you can make PIR without any error like this. After now over here I'll enter vendor, vendor, material, purchase organization, plant. Now this info record number, this you don't have to write because this is generated automatically. You just have to mention these four information, and after that you have to press enter. When you will press enter, this screen will appear. Over here you don't have to write anything, just press enter. Now this screen will appear. Now what you have to do over here, there are some information you have to write. Now over here it's now first is planned delivery time, means what is the lead time of your material to be delivered. You can write it 10 days, 5 days or whatever you like, or whatever is the standard delivery time. Now standard quantity, you can write MOQ. Now exact information is not necessary. You can randomly like anything, but if you are sure, so you have to write exact information, exact number over here. Means what is the delivery time and what is the MOQ. Now over here you can see that it's tolerance under delivered. Means what percentage tolerance you are going to give your purchase order. Under delivered tolerance means if you are issuing purchase order of 1000 kg, and if you write over here 10%, then what will be the 10% of 1000? That would be 10. Means when your purchase order GR will be made of 990 kg, your PO is going to close automatically. So that is the purpose of tolerance under delivered. You can write any percentage or you can let it be alone or blank. The tolerance over delivery means what percentage you would like your purchase order to receive over than your quantity made in the PO. Means you have made the purchase order of 1000 kg, but you think that you can receive 10% excess, so you will write 10 over here. So 10 percentage excess will be received in your purchase order. Now this thing, GR based IP, it's GR based invoice. You have to tick mark, it must be tick marked, because if you will not put tick mark over here, currently you won't see any error, but when your purchase order will be made and GR will be made while parking the invoices, the error will appear. It will not show your delivery challan number and GR number. so it must be ticked. Now net price, over here you will write the price of your material. After writing these things you will press enter. You can see the sample that I have written one day over here, one day over here. I have written nothing over here because I don't want to give any type of under or over tolerance. It's tick marked, price is written. Now over here you can change what price you write. Like I have written 21 rupees per 1 kg. You can make it 100,000, whatever you like. You will press enter. This screen will appear. You don't have to write anything. Press enter. This screen will appear. Still you don't have to write anything. Press enter. It will ask to save. Just click save and it will be saved. Now you have made your PIR document. Now you can make your purchase order without any issue. If you have liked the video, then you can like it, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.